don't understand it. I went trick-or-treating and all I got was a bag full of rocks. I suppose you spend all night in the pumpkin patch.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you these other pair of Lamodas that I got. These are the black and white. So I'm really excited to show you these. I think these are probably my favorite that I've purchased so far. These are tall platform black and white shoes, so they have sort of an asymmetrical design, so they're not exactly the same on both sides, which is really cool. They're just really visually pleasing. I think I can do a lot with these in terms of styling. I wear a lot of black and white, so these will go perfectly with everything I've got. As far as the sizing, again, I also got the Lovesick platforms, and those feel really good. They're a size 8, a US woman's 8. The platform is pretty tall, so if you're not used to wearing super high shoes, these might be a bit much for you. I really enjoy the feel of them. They fit perfectly so far. I will say be mindful of the white bits of it. There's a small scuff that I've got here. I've barely worn them anywhere. I wear them inside just to see how they feel, walk around, test them out, and they got a little scuffed, unfortunately. I think they're a beautiful pair of shoes. Zipper zips up really easy. Calf is quite wide, at least for me. I will say, in my case, I think the calf is maybe too wide, and so it looks a little baggy around my calf, which I don't like, but it's not anything that would detract from the overall look of the shoes. There are ways to stretch the tops of boots. You can use a hair dryer, applying heat to it to stretch it if you have trouble getting them on. I bought these and they were on sale as well. I was looking through to see what were eye-catching to me, and these were definitely the best of the best. So yeah, I'm gonna insert some footage of me styling these if you'd like to see that.
I know it's strictly taboo, 'cause it's witchcraft, wicked witchcraft.
So, I don't think they have these in any other colors. It seems on their website they do a lot of pink and red renditions of things. I think black and white is the only one that they currently have at the moment. I really enjoy the shape of the platform. They're kind of like my camel demonias. I really enjoy when it has quite this dramatic gap here. I think that looks really cool. They're almost kind of like 60s-ish, which I think is really cool. I would also like to probably wear this with some baggier dresses, some short bell-shaped dresses. I think that would look really cute with these. Yeah, I highly recommend them so far. I think they are super comfortable. Again, they have the same issue that I found with the Lovesick platforms. They are quite slippery at the front, so I think it would be a good idea to invest in some kind of sticker. They have those online that can give you some traction on the bottom because they are quite slippery, and with something this high that feels really dangerous, feels a little unsafe. So that is my only critique of their shoes. I think they feel like pretty good quality. They feel heavy, they feel like they're going to last. My only complaint is literally just the fact that there is so little grip to the very front that it feels like I'm gonna slip. The back feels great. If they could just put this up here as well, I think that would probably solve the problem. But beyond that, I'm really pleased with them, and I can't wait to wear them a bunch. So yeah, this has been my very short review of these shoes. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe. I have other videos that I will link below of me reviewing my Lovesick Lamodas, and then I also recently got a pair of Demonias in Shaker 27. They're in black and red. But yeah, have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you around. Bye.